And the other countries that we're going to be talking about, the major powers.
Oh, I see. Right. Well, from that point of view, things are perhaps not so different as they are today. The standout great powers by the time Frederick came to the throne in 1740 were Great Britain, France, the Hapsburg Monarchy, not really Austria because it was an empire which spread across pretty well all of Europe, but centered on Vienna. Spain is still quite important, although sliding quite quickly down the tubes. Same goes for Poland. And of course, the great colossus of the East, Russia, which under Peter the Great, who had died in 1725, had emerged with a great bang at the expense of Sweden as the great power in Eastern Europe.